Hello. So I was gonna do a little print and make it time lapse to document this external buffer I have to show how it works. Turns out that I will end up documenting some of the awesome features in the palette instead. Like here, after it was done loading, it says that I have overloaded by how many numbers is there really? There's three. What's what about? 175 million, 7 million. This is a big number. So this is what happened after I have loaded this. I just made another print with this, by the way, and then it worked fine. So their firmware is apparently totally full of, like, guess uninitialized variables and stuff like that, because it keeps falling over in spectacular ways all the time. And every time I fix something, something else breaks. So it's very obvious that their firmware is an absolute leak of spaghetti. And of course, now it is in a state where the UI doesn't work anymore, which is very normal. I mean, this GUI looks up in all ways, in every mode, every menu, everywhere. It will just suddenly stop reacting to input. You see, in this case, it is actually showing that I'm pushing. It highlights the push. Very often when you push a button, it just gets stuck in there, and then everything is frozen, and you have to power cycle it. So the robustness of this firmware is obviously in the lower end of what's possible to even do. So okay, I will come back later with more about the buffer, which is doing a really good job to eliminate the problems with, like, this horrible buffer design. It is just not working. It is a very good example of the competence to the designers behind this device. It's really amazing. I'll document more of this as we go along. But for now, I just wanted to show you. Awesome. Bye bye.